Let's learn English through short asking for direction and telling the way conversation, with vocabulary and listening questions. Walking to school.
All right, kiddo, today I'll show you the way to school. Ready?
Ready? Is it far?
Not far at all. First, go straight down the street.
Like a race?
Haha, sure. Go straight until you reach the coffee shop.
Ooh, I love coffee. But we don't stop there, right?
Right. Don't stop. Just go past the coffee shop and then...
Wait! Do we turn?
Yes, turn left at the coffee shop. Then keep walking straight.
Got it! And then?
Go past the cinema and you'll see a big park on the right.
Ooh, I want to play in the park.
Haha, not yet. We're almost there. Keep walking straight after the park.
And then we get to school.
Yup. When you see the big tree, turn left and school is just there.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm going to be the first to get there.
Oh no, I knew it. Don't you dare to run. Remember to walk slowly.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Go straight. To continue walking without turning. Turn left. To change direction by moving to the left. Go past. To move by or go beyond a place or thing. Your listening question is: what is the first direction they need to go when leaving home? Answer: they need to go straight down the street until they reach the coffee shop. Where is the bus stop?
Hey, baby, we need to catch the bus to the mall. Right. Do you know the way to the bus stop?
I hope so. I have been there once. Let me check the online map. We are taking the bus stop near the park, right?
Oh, that one. All right. Let me see if I can remember the way. First, go straight down the street. Correct.
Yes, that's right. We will go along this street for around 100 meters.
Indeed, we just go straight until you reach the bridge.
Then we walk across it.
Yes, walk across the bridge, then keep walking straight for a little while.
Okay, noted. What's next?
When you get to the tunnel, go through it. Well, I kinda forget the what's next.
Let me check the map. Oh, the tunnel leads to a park.
Aha, I see. After the tunnel, keep going straight until you see the big green park.
Yep, that's exactly what I have just seen on the online map. Do you remember the next step now?
Turn right at the park, and the bus stop will be on your left.
That's correct. You have a really good memory. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome, darling. Now, let's catch that bus before it leaves.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Bridge. A structure built to cross over a river, road, or other obstacle. Tunnel. A passage through or under something, like a hill or road. Go through. To pass an area or obstacle. Your listening question is: what does the boyfriend tell the girlfriend to do when she reaches the bridge? Answer: he tells her to walk across the bridge and then keep walking straight. Finding the checkout counter.
Honey, I think we've got everything we need. Let's go find the checkout.
Yeah, but where is it? I don't see any signs.
I think we just have to go straight ahead.
Straight ahead, there are like 5 aisles. Which one?
Oh Mike, just keep walking straight first. I remember we saw the bread section, and then turn left.
So now, we will turn right. Yes.
Yes, let's turn right. After that, we go across the aisle with the snacks.
Across the aisle with snacks, Kay. I count on you for this one.
You don't usually go to the mall, do you? It's sometimes like a quest to find the checkout. It happens pretty often.
Yeah, I started to understand why people take so much time shopping now. We'll never find it with all these distractions.
Trust me, after we go past the snacks, we'll see the self-checkout machines on the right.
All right. I think I can see other people walking towards the machines.
Exactly. See, you're getting the hang of it. You can also follow other customers to get to the checkout.
Haha, I think I can do this. We'll be out of here in no time.
Perfect. Let's get in line and finally pay for all this stuff.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Aisle. A passage between rows of shelves in a supermarket. Across. From one side to the other. Self-checkout. A machine where customers scan and pay for their items themselves. Your listening question is: what direction does the girlfriend tell the boyfriend to go after passing the bread section? Answer: she tells him to turn right and then go across the aisle with snacks. Getting to the library.
Hello, Professor. Can you help me with something?
Hi. Oh, are you a freshman? You must be new here. Are you lost?
Yes, I'm so sorry to bother you, but can you tell me the way to the library? I have been walking in circles for the past 15 minutes.
No problem. It's not far. First, you need to go straight down this hallway.
Okay, go straight. Got it.
Then, you'll see the stairs. Go upstairs to the second floor.
Upstairs to the second floor, yes. I have noted it.
After you go upstairs, walk straight. The library will be on your left.
On the left. Is it hard to find?
Don't worry, our library is huge, you can't miss it. Oh, if you want to go to the computer room, you need to go downstairs to the basement.
Oh my, thank you so much. I think I will just borrow some books today.
Then it's easy. Just go upstairs to the library, and you'll be fine.
Thanks so much, Professor. I think I can find it now.
You're welcome. Feel free to ask for help, everyone here is super friendly. Let's look at the vocabulary. Upstairs. To move to a higher level of a building. Downstairs. To move to a lower level of a building. Basement. The lowest floor of a building, often underground. Your listening question is: what direction does the teacher tell the student to go after going upstairs? Answer: the teacher tells the student to walk straight, and the library will be on the left. Walking to the bakery.
All right, darling. Do you want to go with me to the bakery? It's just down the street.
Yay! I want a chocolate croissant. Which way do we go, Grandma?
Let me think. Oh, yes. First, we take the first left.
The first left? Okay.
Wait. No. I think it's the second left. I'm not sure now.
Oh no, Grandma. You always know the way.
Haha, I know, sweetie. I just get confused sometimes. Let's try the second left, just in case.
Okay, second left. We can do this.
No, that's not right. I think it's the first left after all. We have to turn around.
Grandma, I'm so confused now.
I'm sorry. I'm getting old, darling. But we will get there.
Wait, Grandma. Isn't the bakery near the big tree?
Oh, yes. I remember now. We take the second left and then walk past the big tree.
I knew we'd figure it out. Let's go, Grandma.
Haha, you're so clever, sweetie. Let's get that chocolate croissant you want.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Take the first left. To turn left at the first street or corner. Take the second left. To turn left at the second street or corner. Croissant. A buttery, flaky pastry, often eaten for breakfast. Your listening question is: which way do they finally remember to go? Answer: they take the second left and then walk past the big tree to get to the bakery. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.